Well, hello YouTubers, Mike here. Welcome back to my channel. Doing a little house maintenance today. Every year, the house being underneath all these oak trees. When spring comes in Florida, the oak trees drop all their leaves and then they put out little flowers called catkins, and then they drop all their catkins. And every spring we have to get up here and clean out the gutters. They are just packed to the top with leaves and catkins by early spring. Absolutely packed. So already cleaned out the gutters. That's already done. What I'm working on now is a solution to prevent us from hopefully having to clean out the gutters again. Let me show you what I got over here. I got these wire mesh gutter guards here that slip up under the shingles on this side and clip onto the edge of the gutters on this side. So we're going to install these along the entire length of the gutters out there, and hopefully this will prevent us from having to clean out the gutters every spring, which is just an incredibly onerous thing to do. We'll find out, I guess, by next spring, but since the gutters are nice and clean, I'm going to go up there and install these today. And I'll let you know how it's going. Well, the installation's been a little more difficult than I thought. Watched a video on putting these in, and they made it look like it was super simple. Just, pry up the shingles a little bit, slide them in, they lock in place. Well, our shingles aren't prying up all that easily. I'm having to go along with a putty knife along the entire length and break them free. They seem to be glued down to the edge of the gutters pretty well here. So it's taken me, about 2/3 of the way along here. It's taken me probably an hour and a half to get this far on top of a very tall ladder. So yeah, not as easy as they made it look in the video. Got a ways to go. But hopefully we won't have to clean out the gutters anymore. It's not going to let anything big through this mesh. So a good hard rain should move everything along through the gutters that can make it through the mesh, I'm thinking. I guess we'll find out when spring comes and these oak trees all start dropping their crap on the roof again. I guess we'll find out. Okay, let me get back to work. They do interlock at the edges, which is kind of nice. Each one has a little cutout, and the next one interlocks with it. So that's kind of cool. They overlap by, I don't know, maybe ½ an inch and interlock, so that's nice. It's just the installation's not quite as easy as it was made out to be. But I think I'll get it done here in probably the next half hour, 45 minutes or so. So let me get back to work. Alright, only about 3 or 4 left to go. These things are 3 feet long, each section. And you can see how they overlap over here a little bit. I chose these because, well, number one, they looked easy to install, and number two, they didn't look cheap and flimsy. When I was in the store looking around, the less expensive ones looked really cheap and flimsy, like they weren't going to hold up. And then there were some super expensive ones, which really didn't look like they were going to be much better than these. So this is kind of in the middle. Hopefully this is a sweet spot of cost and functionality. We'll see. All right, I got to go down and grab some more and see if we can finish this up. Well, there it is. 50 feet of gutter along this side of the house, installed. All right. Hopefully, this is going to work. If any of you out there have any experience with this kind of gutter guard, leave a comment, let me know. If you're interested in seeing an update on this after it's been in place for a few months or a year, let me know in the comments. Leave a comment. If you know of a product that's better than this, leave a comment for anybody else who might be watching this video and thinking about installing these. I find that my home improvement videos are quite popular, and hey, help out your fellow home improvers. leave a comment and let them know what works for you. And I'll let you guys know how well this works over time. Hopefully, there won't be any more cleaning out these gutters every spring. Oh, and these are really, really hard to see from the ground, too. So if your HOA has crazy rules about this, that, and the other, they probably won't even notice that you've installed these if they have some kind of rule about this. So just in case that's an issue for you, not for us. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video interesting, inspirational, informative, whatever. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up. I will see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.